3 months ago, I started to coach a woman in her 40s. She wanted to start digital product creation and she thought that it was too late, but we started anyway. And as of today, there's this same woman in her 40s making more from her $17 digital product that she built with AI than she had made in an entire month, right, in her old job. So today, her digital products makes more for her than her regular day job does, and she made it using AI. Today we're going to talk about digital products, 5 specific digital products that you can start using and that you can start creating today with AI and start selling this week. And that's if you're serious about it, by the way. You don't need a big following, you don't need so many subscribers, you don't need a tech degree, you don't need any of those things. You don't need inventory money, you just need the willingness to do it, the desire to do it, and the drive to keep pushing it. And before the end of the week, you're going to put that digital product up for sale and you're going to start selling it. Hi, my name is Toby and welcome to She Built Empire. This is a channel for women who want to use AI to earn more money, work smarter, and build income that generally fits around your life. And if you're that woman, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Anyway, now most of us were made to believe, or most of us were raised to believe, that income means that you're trading your hours for money. And so the way it goes is you work, you get paid, you stop working, the money stops working, right? But digital products break that equation. It totally changes it, because that is not the way it works. You create something once, right? You upload it and it can sell while you're asleep. I always use this example of my digital product on Etsy. That product literally makes me $100 a month while I'm asleep. I just wake up and I see, oh, someone just purchased your digital product online, right? So you create something, you upload it, and you continue selling it. Now, here's what AI has now done to the digital product community. The creation part, which used to take weeks. For me, it used to take weeks brainstorming ideas and then creating it on Canva. It used to take a long time, several hours, sometimes several days. And now AI will design it in as little as minutes. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to have learned graphic designing, you don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be all of that. You just need to understand what someone needs and understand the concept of what you're trying to create, and then you use AI to build it. Because I'm going to tell you something. So some people will take AI and just say, build me a digital product for this. No, you have to have a clear idea and concept of what you want to build. And then you can feed AI with that information and then it can give it to you. Do you understand? Not just random ideas. So today I'm going to share with you 5 products that you can start selling today, create with AI today, and start selling today. All right. Product number 1, a niche planner or workbook. Now, this is one of the most beginner friendly products you can ever create. It is so beginner friendly. Think about who you are, right? And what you know. Let's take, for example, you're a mom, or you're a woman in the banking industry, or you're a woman in ministry, a business owner, a caregiver, a nurse, someone who just figured out her finances, how to pay off a debt and all of that. There is a planner for that, okay? And for example, you create a 30-day budget reset planner, or you create a weekly meal planner, meal prep planner, CP planner, homeschool work planner, self-care journal for women that are going through a divorce, or women who are healing from a type of illness, a business planner for women who are doing side hustles and all of that. And you take it and you build it. Now, here is how you build it. You use Claude or ChatGPT. Now, both platforms, both tools are amazing. Okay, so you generate the pages and prompts, and then you copy it into Canva. Now, one amazing thing is that you can now link your Claude to Canva. So Claude can go into Canva for you to create this digital product. And Claude is so amazing at laying out workbooks and planners and all of these things. And it's free. So use Claude. You tell Claude to write it out for you. And I'm going to be So you tell Claude your niche, and you tell Claude, this is the kind of digital product I want to create it for me. And Claude will not only create it, it will go into Canva to design it for you. And that's your product. You put it up for sale at $9 or $10 and you're good to go. Product number 2, a prompt pack. Now, I sold a prompt pack on my page last week as an example for you guys. And these prompts that I created on the prompt pack, not only did I create it from my heart because they are prompts that I've used, right? I used AI to help me fine tune them, right? A prompt pack is literally a document filled with AI prompts organized around a specific topic. And when I created the prompt last week, I created a prompt that would help you find how you can make money with your own skills and how to create a digital product. So, for example, 50 ChatGPT prompts for busy moms. Now, if you don't know how to write prompts, go watch my video about prompt engineering. It's to teach you how to engineer prompts correctly. So you're writing prompts, you write all of those prompts, you organize them nicely in a PDF. And again, AI, Claude will help you organize it in a PDF. And you list it on Beacons or Stand Store, right? And people, or Linktree, and people will definitely buy it from you. A lot of people want to communicate or want to use AI, but they do not know how to communicate with AI. And so it is another thing that you can sell. And if you go to my link in bio, you see that I have 50 prompts for sale on there. So I'm not just telling you things I cannot do. I'm telling you things that I have tried and I have tested. Product number 3, an ebook or a mini guide. Now, the thing with ebooks is a lot of people are going to ChatGPT and all of these other tools. Now I'm just telling it, just write me an ebook about that. Now, I do not like that because it does not come with the human soul. Now, if you want to write an ebook, make sure that it is something you have an idea of so that you can feed ChatGPT or Claude what you want it to write. Do you understand? You're not just asking it to come up with the entire thing by yourself, right? Now, the thing is this, you've gone through things, you've figured things out, you've done things for yourself, you've overcome challenges. A lot of people want to know how you overcame these challenges. Now, people will say, oh, you know what, Toby, I don't want to be on camera, but can you write? Do you understand? And an ebook does not have to have 200 pages. It does not have to have 1 million pages, right? You can write a mini guide. It can be 30 pages, whatever it is, right? Just create it. For example, you can create a mini guide of how I paid off $8,000 in a year, or how I did this, right? I wish I knew before starting to homeschool my kids. All of these things you can put into a guide to help people as well. Do you understand? So use Claude to help you outline it. Now, Claude is amazing for writing. If you use Claude to help you outline it and then write it each section, you edit it, you add it to your story, you make it sound like you. Tell Claude, I'll teach you to make Claude sound like you. Now, listen, once you have listed these ebooks and you start to market it and tell people you're selling it, you would see how it will transform your life. And this is a great opportunity to invite you to the Empire Academy. In the Empire Academy, we're learning AI, we're learning AI tools, we're learning how to start businesses, how to create digital products and all of that. And tomorrow, July 1st, we're going to be starting and kicking off the 30-day AI challenge. This challenge, we're going to be learning new tools, and we're going to be ending that challenge with a digital product, with something, skills. So if you want to join the community, I'm going to be linking it in the description box and in the pinned. Go ahead and join us in this community. It's an amazing community and it's free now. Okay, if you jump on, it's free now. In a few weeks, I'm going to be locking it and it's going to be paid forever. All right, product number 4, templates. Templates sell incredibly because they save people time. And I'm going to tell you why. I personally have purchased templates over the years, especially YouTube thumbnail templates. If you go to my Etsy purchase list, you'll see I've purchased several thumbnail template packs, right? You create templates like a thumbnail template. You can create like a budget spreadsheet, something that people can customize to suit themselves, a meal planning template, a business content calendar, a client onboarding checklist. All of these things you can create for yourself, and people will pay. Listen, people pay, okay, for that removes problems from them. Do you understand? Like, I'll create thumbnails. I don't know how to create that and you have a template that I can just put my picture on, take my money, you know. And with AI, you can build all of these things really quickly. Okay, you build it really quickly and start selling it. And if you want to learn how to build it, definitely join the academy. That's where we're going to be going deeper into all of these things. Now, product number 5, a printable bundle. Now, a bundle is when you make several products and sell them together at a higher price. Okay, 3 planners, a prompt pack, a budget template. Now, if you go to my link in bio, you will see a pack that I have. It's called the Becoming. Over there, I have about 5 to 7 different planners in that one pack, right? So create several ones and maybe title it the ultimate mother's pack, where it has the meal planner, it has the daily journal, it has all of these things in. People love bundles when you can buy several things at one single price, and it's amazing. So when you create all of those things, where do you now sell them? Now, I told you that one of my most the places I love the most to sell it is on Beacons or Stand Store. And all of them are linked in the description. Okay, if you use my link for Beacons, you get $20 free to start. Do you understand? So you start small, list it on Beacons, list it on Stand Store or Linktree or Etsy or Gumroad. There are several platforms where you can list your stuff and start to sell it. Now, you have to market it. You cannot just create an ebook and leave it there and hoping it will sell itself. You have to market it. Okay, now if you want to learn the full system, how to create, how to price, how to market, how to scale, and all of those things, that is exactly what we're building in the Empire Academy. Like I said, it's a community of women 30 and above who are serious about using AI to build real income. The link is in the description, so come join us. The link is also in the pinned comments. Definitely come join us. Your first digital product could be done this week if you join us. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a huge thumbs up, send it to a woman who you think needs to hear this, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have an amazing day. My name is still Rich.